Welcome to part 3 of learning how to write Hindi. In the last lesson, we've covered the first 20 consonants, k to n, and today we'll move on to the rest of them. First, we'll do a quick recap of the pronunciations. Then we learn how to write these letters. So let's start. These are the consonants that we will be covering today. So for the first 5, the sound is made by the lips. These are p, p, b, bh, m. The second letter here is p, and this is quite different from the f that is there in English. The p in Hindi, it's the aspirated version of p. So p for parrot. There is p and p. You use your lips to make this sound. F is also there in Hindi. It's pronounced the way you do v in English. So you say v the same way f, right? Now Hindi originally does not have the sound f. It has been brought in mainly from the language Urdu. So there are many Urdu words that are part of the Hindi vocab that have this sound f. To write f, you add a dot under p. But it's important to note that these are two separate sounds and separate letters. And after that, we have b. So b is for ball. And the aspirated version of that is bh. Bh. So b, bh. P, p, b, bh, m. So let's see how to write these 5 letters. Let's start with the first letter. This is p. So this is, you can say that it's part of the letter U of English. So you come down and then take a curve and turn towards the right. Draw the vertical and the top line. This is p. Once again, p. After this comes p. For p, you will draw the same thing, but it will have an extra part which is something like this. Okay? So we start again with the p and then we do this. This is p. Once again, p, p. This is p. After that comes b. For b, you start with an almost circle like that, then a vertical line, and then you make a diagonal like that. That's b. Once again. Okay? B. B. Next is bh. For bh, you start with a circle. When the circle is completed, you just pull it down like this. Then you make another circle over here and take it this side. And then the vertical line. That is bh. Okay? Let's try it again. Like this and like this. That is bh. One circle, two circles, and that's bh. Okay? The last one, m, is the same thing, but it won't have this part over here. Okay? For m, you start like this, and this. That is m. So you come down, loop, right, vertical, top line. M. Last time. Like this. M. All of them together. P, P, B, bh, m. Now after this we have y, r, l, v and sh. Once again, y, r, l, v, sh. So let's see how these are written. Starting with y. You start with this, then take it to the right and complete it. This is y. Like this, y. Okay, once again, like this. So it's two curved lines. Y. Next is r. For r, you do the same thing. You start with the same thing. So you did this and then you went here, right? So instead of that, you'll do this and then you'll come down. So you'll do this, make a loop, and then this. This is r. Like this, r. Okay, y, r. Next is l and v. So for l, you start with a short diagonal line like this, then like this, and you do this and this. This is l. Once again, this and this, and l. Like this, l. Then we have v. So for v, you'll start with the same thing that we did when we were doing b. Okay, so you just do this and this, and this is it. This is v. Okay, if you make the diagonal line, then it becomes b. This part, only this part is v. V. Next, the last one in this set is sh. For sh, you start again like r, but you start with a loop. So you start with a loop, then you do this and this. This is sh. This is sh. You start with a loop and this was r. Okay, and for sh, you start with the loop and then you do this. This is sh. Okay, so let's see the 5 of them together. Y, r, l, v, sh. The next 3 are sh, s and h. Sh, s, h. There is a slight difference between the two shs that we've just seen. The first one in the previous 5, that is the sound that you make when you are asking someone to be quiet. So shh, or the way you say the English words shell or she or ship. Okay, it's a soft sound where the tongue remains straight and it stays near the top of the palate, right? So shh. So the letter is sh. Sh. Now the second one, which is sh, which we are doing now, this one is a hard sh, and for this the tongue is a bit curled back and it's towards the roof, and it creates a heavier, rounder sound. Sh. Sh. So it's sh and sh. So let's see how these are written down. Start with the p. Just like B, you will add a diagonal line. This is sh. Sh. This was P. This is sh. Okay. So next is sa. Start with a R like this, a horizontal line and a vertical line. This is sa. Once again, like this, and that's sa. Sh, sa. Then we have h. Start with a small vertical line like this. Then you do this. Okay, you start with a circle and then pull it down and create the shape. And you do this. This is h. Once again, like this and like this. Once again. This is h. Let's write the three together. Sh, sa, h. Sh, sa, h. Sh, sa, h. So this completes the 33 simple consonants. But there are 4 more combined consonants. They are ksha, tra, gya and shra. Ksha starts with a k and it ends with a sh. So it's ksha. Tra is the soft ta with the ra mixed in. So it's tra. Then gya is a mixture of ga and ya. Gya. Gya. Finally, we have shra, which is sha mixed in with ra. So it's shra, shra. Let's write these out. Okay, ksha. Start a horizontal curved and you take it up like that. Then you make a loop and you come down. Now, as you come down, you go towards the left. Take a curve and come back here like this. Make another loop and then bring it down. And then you make your vertical and the top line. Let's try again. Okay. It's easier to just show rather than explain how to make it. Ksha. Then we have tra. Tra is quite simple. You just do this and this. This is tra. Tra. Then we have gya. If you remember, we had done ja, which was this, right? So gya looks something like this, but you start like this from here and you just go here. You don't go till the top, you just go till here and then you do this loop. That is gya. Okay, once again, this, 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 and that's gya. Once more. Gya. And the very last one is shra. This is something like the letter R, the cursive letter R. Shra. So go up like this. make a loop, then like this, and come back down. Sh. Sh. Tr. Ya. Shra. Quick recap of everything we did today. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, cha, tra, ya, ra. So that finishes all of the consonants. In the next lesson, we'll look at matras, which are basically how to combine the vowels with the consonants and how do you write those things. I teach how to read and write simple everyday Hindi on this channel. So if you're interested in that, do check out our other videos. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or if you have any future video ideas for me. See you in the next video. Take care.